Hi friends, welcome to my YouTube channel SS Analysis. First of all, I would like to tell you that if you are watching this video first time, subscribe my channel to see my more upcoming videos on analysis of different commodities and equity indices. And second important thing is to watch this video till its end to understand this story to take your decision. Your one like will motivate me to be regular and working more hard for you. Let us start the day to analyze the movements of S&P 500 index in a daily time frame. Here you can see that the formation of an exhaustive candle in a daily time frame looks evident enough to turn the whole situation in the favor of bears because most of the factors have been turning bearish despite a big supporting package of $2 trillion by the Fed. Here I find that this formation of an exhaustive candle in a daily time frame looks evident enough to keep the downtrend intact during the upcoming weeks, because if the S&P 500 remain unsuccessful in defending the immediate support level of 2400 will make the situation very precarious, as we are going to see a breakout below the levels of 2193, where the S&P 500 index look ready to beat the lows of March 23rd during the upcoming week, where I find that a sustained move below the levels of 2170 will result in more downward moves during the upcoming week, where I find that the S&P 500 index may find some support at the levels of 2121. That here you can see that here I find that the formation of an exhaustive candle in a daily time frame looks evident enough to keep the movements of S&P 500 index back on the track of a steep fall during the upcoming weeks, where a gap down opening on the first trading session of the upcoming week will confirm the continuity of this downtrend, where the S&P 500 index may beat the immediate support of 2400 during the first two trading sessions. If the S&P 500 futures open with a gap down opening below the levels of 2400, I find that a steep downward move may beat the second support level at the levels of 2124, where a sustained move below the levels of 2124 may keep the S&P 500 index in a more bearish pressure, where I find that this strong support level of 1990, which is a weekly time frame support, where we may find the S&P 500 futures may bounce back from these levels back up to the levels of 2323, where once again the levels of 2400 will provide stiff resistance, where the S&P 500 index may take downturn once again. So friends, here this formation of an exhaustive candle has confirmed the continuation of a bearish trend in S&P 500 index during the upcoming weeks. Here I would like to inform you that the closing levels of S&P 500 futures at the levels of 2519, whereas the S&P 500 index closed at the levels of 2541, where I find that the weaker closing of S&P 500 futures at the levels of 2519 makes the situation more precarious for the bulls, because this lower closing of S&P 500 futures may keep the bearish pressure on S&P 500 futures during the upcoming week, where a gap down opening will confirm the continuity of a weak trend in the S&P 500 index. On the other hand, gold futures have been constantly maintaining a strong support level at the levels of $1612, where I find that a constant support in gold futures may keep the uptrend in gold futures intact during the upcoming week, where the gold futures may start the upcoming week with a gap up opening, where I find that a gap up opening above the levels of $1638 will confirm the continuity of more strength in gold futures, where the gold futures may break the levels of 1696 during the upcoming week due to growing weakness in global equity markets due to still prevailing fear of coronavirus, where growing number of cases may make the situation more precarious for equity bulls. The whole situation looks evident enough for strong demand for dollar, where most of the investors prefer to keep the cash in hand during the growing uncertainty all around the world, which provides enough strength to gold bulls, whereas we may find more weakness in global equity markets during the upcoming weeks, where I find that the uptrend will remain in gold futures because the closing levels of gold futures above the Ichimoku cloud in a daily time frame looks evident enough of an eruptive move in gold futures during the upcoming week. So friends, be ready to see an action in gold futures during the upcoming weeks. So thank you friends, thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, don't forget to share this video with your more and more friends. Thank you.